It's a nice day today and a little bit cloudy. Look at the sky. And this is what it looks like here. So clean, guys, and nice. Pretty to look at it. This view with this kind of wow. It's just that they are doing a well-maintained park in here or place here in this town, which is great. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, guys, we're gonna go on for a walking, and this is what it looks like here at the Sibaan Sunday Market in the Valencia, Negros, Oriental, Philippines. And she's doing an exercising there. And this is how beautiful here. That's the municipality of Valencia. By the way, guys, I am a Cebuano Filipina, and I am being here with Tom in the Negros, Oriental, Philippines, and we are planning to visit Cebu pretty soon because of some important things to process. Wow, it's pretty. There's a lot of plants in here, by the way, guys. If you're looking for some ornamental plants or specific plants that you are looking for in here, you can call this number in the Plaza Negros Oriental, and they also offer landscaping services. This is the view, and Tom is going ahead of me because I am still filming. Well, anyway, we'll have to go, and it's just that it's pretty. This plants in here, take a look, and here as well. Wow. And that going there is the entrance. From here to where I stand, go there. Wow, Chada Valencia, yours naturally. Pretty, isn't it? This place is most known as the tourist spot and peaceful place all around the world or nation here in Philippines, Negros Oriental. Fronting the school in here, and that's the school there. There's a lot of plants, pretty greenery. If you love plants, well, this is your place to be, and where you can find your favorite plants to have on your backyard. Oh, now it has a fruit. Pretty looking. That's sure that it will going to grow when it arrives in their different houses of customers. You remember the Filipina step on that stairs there, uphill, going uphill? You remember that day on her video? How old do you think this tree, guys? Take a look. Freaking big. Open. This is different store than the Labubu, because the Labubu have almost all kinds of stuff, and like this one that I have on my back, that there. So they, I think, just opened a while ago. You see that? Personal use only, kasabot. This is their second floor. This is what it looks like here, guys. Take a look. Wide and spacious. Nice. They still have here a lot of... This is a basketball ball and a lot of stocks for stuff. You ready to go? Yeah. Okay, we go ahead, master. Yeah. What did you get? Battery. Good. He don't like to be on camera, guys, so I'm very sorry. Welcome to Mr. DIY.
And every day, always low prices. In household items, always low prices. School and office supplies,
Let's go.
Mr. DIY is now open.
We have potting mix here, guys, for your gardens also. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a bit pricey. Your accessories of your phones and whatsoever, iPhone or Androids. And a lot more here for your pets and for the pet foods. He's looking for a grinding thing for his grill. Grill for like that man, that one Tommy. Oh, like this pa, a plate is for grinding. Uh-huh. My sister's boyfriend doesn't have a cord for his Type-C phone, guys. So this is it here. Take a look, and the price is 219. So that's all the price in there. There's 149, which is more better if he is going to come here and take a look at his charger cord. Maybe he can get one in the future. OCA model. O, diba? And the price. Now we're up here. Oh my god, it's pretty. It said watch your head on going downstairs. From there, whoa, to here. There's a lot of pretty stuff in here. If you are out of stock of whatever you are, having on today, you can visit here at the DIY guys at the Valencia town. Here, this is what you can see here. There's really a lot of things you can get in here. Only get those important things that you need, so you're not gonna be broke at the end of the day or the month or the week. We've planned to take a walk for today, and we come up here after the other place there at the part of the Sonyasa. And take a look at here. Maybe one of these bags will be owned by you in the future. We're going to continue our walking here at the Sibaan Park, which now we are going to do it. If you would like my content, and also if you're looking for some other contents that I made, you can check out my whole video in this channel. Don't forget to hit that like button with the notification on, and comment below if you've been here before or are planning to visit here in the Sibaan. So as you can see at my back here, there's a lot of dove birds, which will going to make you more relaxing, calming, and entertained when you are bored at home and wanna do some stuff outside the home or outside your houses, which this place is also recommended or suggested from other people as well. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again on my next video, and stay safe everyone, and see you around. Bye.
9 miles.
It's workout completed, Sammy. 7,735 steps, and this is the place where we walked around there, and around there, which is good because look at the weather, guys. The skies or the cloudy skies are protecting us from the heat of the sun, which is the sunburn, or what's the Tommy?
Of radiation.
The radiation, guys, will cause sunburn. So that's the radiation call. Okay, but anyway, there's a lot in there, guys. Take a look with those birds and the walking ladies. Oh, see? And that's how far from here where we sit. There, but we went there before. The view that they can get every morning.